Good morning, students. We have already completed chapter number 1, so I hope you have already completed your homework of chapter number 1. I have already shared with you worksheet and the solution PDF file. Okay, and the second chapter is computer virus. In this chapter, we will learn about the virus, what is virus, and how to spread virus, how to stop virus, and how the virus affect computer, function of virus instruction, how to prevent computer virus, how to get rid of virus in case of virus infection, and people who create the virus. Okay, so let's start. Okay, those are the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You will complete because those fill in the blanks are from the previous chapter. Okay, so like computer is a set of logical step-by-step instruction, that is what will become here. The answer will be program. Okay, the person who writes computer program is called a what is called. Okay, we store the data and program from secondary storage media like hard disk and memory card. A program has to be loaded in the RAM, random access memory of computer, in order to work out. Okay, and what will be the answer of a computer is volatile. Volatile means ROM or hard disk or secondary memory. Okay, secondary memory of a computer, you can here write secondary memory, but the secondary memory is already at the end of this. So volatile is the hard disk of a computer is a volatile. Okay, so we store data and programs on secondary storage. So the answer will be HDD or hard disk drive. Okay, the person who writes computer program, who will write computer programmer or computer user or computer software, who will, okay, you will find this answer. Okay, so we are going to read about the computer virus. What is computer virus? Okay, so let's start. A computer virus is a program written to alert the way of a computer operates without the permission or knowledge of the user. A virus replicates itself, it makes copies of itself. A virus attaches itself to a program or file and then copies itself to other files. So a computer virus is a program. A computer virus is a program, okay, written to alter the way. Alter means modify. Alter means modify the way of computer operates without the permission or knowledge of the user. Without the permission, it means unauthorized of the user. The virus will came accidentally in the user computer and affect the user computer without the permission of the user and without of the knowledge of the user. A virus replicates itself. A virus replicates itself. It means a single virus. If a single virus entered into your computer, then it will replicate. It means it will max load several, like in counting 100 of the copies of itself. Okay, it makes copies of itself. A virus attached itself to a program or file. Virus can be attached to a program or file and then copies itself to other files. It is ability to attach a file and it can affect your whole computer files. A virus may just display a funny message or may do something really damaging like wiping out the entire hard disk content. Okay, this is the important thing. A virus may just display a funny message or may do something really damaging. It means a virus have ability to damage your complete computer. That is, all our data are stored in the hard disk. Okay, as the computer virus is a program, the amount of the damage a virus would inflict depend on the damage the virus writer wants it to do. So the whole things are depend on the type of the virus, that which type of the virus and what will be the user think about the virus and what is the purpose of the virus. The all things are depend of the virus coding. That virus will delete our files, virus will thief our data, virus will send our data to one computer to another. That all things are depend on the virus that are written in the virus coding. Okay. So who create viruses? So who create the viruses? We will read about them. In the earlier days of the personal computer 1918, some of the people who created computer virus had a certain misplaced sense of humor. For example, there was a virus that caused all the characters on the screen to drop at the bottom of the display. However, quite soon, some really harmful virus came out that were deliberately designed to corrupt and delete files and cause damage. It's always people who write computer virus program. A programmer usually write a computer virus program to cause mischief or damage the program has that cause. So who a computer usually write a computer virus program. Okay, so the people that are create the viruses, it always people who create who write computer virus program. A program usually write a computer virus program to cause or mischief or damage the program has the code to multiply. What is virus? Virus is a type of code. Virus is a type of code that is created or developed by the humans. Okay, for the purpose of to damage or mischief our computer, to damage or thief the data from our computer. That is virus. Okay. Effect of virus. It is really wrong to create a virus. It is really wrong to create a virus. People all over the world waste thousands of hours of precious time cleaning and preventing virus from their computers. Discuss all the trouble caused by the computer viruses all over the. So, effect of the virus. What are the effect of the virus? Okay. Some computers viruses are harmful, others have little harmful effect, but some are really harmful. Okay, these are the categories of the virus. Some may be harmful, some have little harmful, and some are really harmful. Okay, the actual effect of the virus depends on how it was programmed by the person who wrote the virus program. That is, all things are depend of the program coding. All things are depend on the program coding. That how it was programmed. How it was programmed. It is programmed for the purpose of the damage all our computer file, for the purpose of thief the computer data from our computer, for purpose to corrupt the entire files of our computer system. All things are depend on the program coding. Okay, by the person who wrote the virus program. This is the reason why some virus programs are very harmful, why some virus programs are very harmful and others are not so. They may display strange message, infect and modify files, delete files, and in most of cases delete the contents of the entire hard disk. The viruses can delete your files. The viruses can also, in most of cases, delete the content of the entire hard disk. The virus has ability to delete your entire data. Delete your entire data that is stored on the hard disk. It's depend on the virus coding program, that how the virus code are developed. Okay, so in today class we have already read about the computer virus. So you will read about what is computer virus. You need to learn about that. What is virus? What is the definition of the virus? A computer virus is a program that is written to alter the way of computer operate. Alter means modify. Alter means modify of the computer files. Okay, and the second thing is who create the virus, and third thing is effect of the virus. You will read about these three things and you will learn. In these three things you will learn what is computer virus, who create the virus, how the virus is programmed, and how the virus work, that are how the harmful, little harmful or really harmful for the computers. That are all things depend on the virus coding. And if you have any question related to this video, you can send me. Thank you very much.